Hey everyone. Hey everyone. What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be checking out the new April Fool's update. Supposedly they added a cheese. I don't know if that's gonna become OG, but I'm still gonna take it. It's probably gonna become OG. Because, well, it's stinky, and that's obviously a joke. You can't hear it right now, but the sounds are way more muffled. Alright, so, first of all, there's no office update. Yeah, that's right. And also, over here, it leads to sewers. At sewers, it leads to Haunted Mansion! How do I get this pop-up off my screen? It's gone. Video safe. I don't care. So we're gonna go to OG Caves. Yeah, that's right. They added that back. But it's most likely just temporary, so just don't get your hopes up. Whee! This is definitely just only for the April Fool's update. See, over here, this is where Haunted Mansion is, and this is where, and this. The cave.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
There's a new animation. And also, as you can see, we are in the cave. These guys are really annoying. This is the way back. I do not want to go here. It's not where I want to go. And I'm trying to find a place where you would get red flashlights. I don't know if you have to buy them or they just spawn in. Oh my god! See, this is what I was talking about. This is the way back, but I still don't want to go here. I want to see. I still want to find the place you would get the, you know, red flashlight. No, I was here. This guy's stuck in the wall. I think they just got rid of the place you would get the red flashlight. And it's just not here. It's disappointing. I don't know what this orange light is. I really want to check that out. But I can't. So, I think that's all for the update on April Fools. So, yeah. Goodbye.